She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is definitely going to be quick and easy, and it's going to be great for any type of meal or weeknight, weekend, whenever. We're going to go ahead and make some delicious garlic butter steak bites. So these garlic butter steak bites are definitely going to be quick and easy. They're only going to take a few ingredients, and then in this case we'll have a meal on the table within minutes. The flavors of these garlic butter bites are delicious, guys, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this recipe as much as I do. So hopefully you guys are ready to enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's hop. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's hop. Ooh, that's cold.
Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's not. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's not. Ooh, that's cold.
All I think about and all I know, you were made for me and I was made for you. Tell me how we stop this merry-go. Can we break the cycle, maybe see it through? What can I do when it's all new? Swear I'm learning as I go. I'll take the blame, fix my mistakes. But what if I change? Would you stay through the pain while I grow? Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's not. Let's go. That's hot.
Let's go. Let's not.
Let's go.
Ooh.
That's hot.
Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this recipe for some super quick and easy yet tasty garlic butter steak bites. These garlic steak bites were so tender and full of that garlic butter and herb flavor. Definitely a easy weeknight meal. Go ahead and put them over some potatoes, and they are quick and easy and simple to make. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. It was full of flavor. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that so much, guys. Thank you. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.